I want to ask you two fun questions, but you can opt out. I give you the escape of, you don't have to answer if you don't want to. You don't have to use the name if you don't want to either. What's the best investment that you've seen in all of crypto, whether you did it or somebody else did it? What is the one where, like, if we go to, this is the craziest market, most asymmetric market in the world, like, how asymmetric can it get?
I mean, the easy answer there is Bitcoin, right? It's not only the most 0 to 1 investment I've seen in my lifetime, but it's also arguably, again, not investment advice. It's arguably one of the best risk-reward investments and continues to be. I think fair to say that there's an argument to be made that it continues to be a great risk-reward investment. I think even though I was early there, I think probably the best one I've done is Ethereum. I've done others with more conviction and more knowledge since then that have proven to be good investments. But we've had a lot of failures too, and I think that's one of the things about investing in this space that really has kind of been eye-opening for me. The wins are power law wins. They're so asymmetric that you can afford to have a lot of losses. And because many of the losses are liquid, you often can see that you have a loss early and you can redeploy the capital. So in our collection of losses, including total losses that go to zero and things where we've lost total conviction in, I think we've still made money because of the ability to exit early, which is one of the really interesting characteristics of having a liquid token economy. And not everything we do is tokens, and we probably do nearly an equal amount of equity investments as well.
Hey you, did you like this video? Great, we make 5 of them a day and post them here on this channel. Make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and see you next time.